Things you should know about the One Big Beautiful Bill, Part 4.
So the no tax on overtime is actually very similar to our previous episode, the no tax on tips piece of the One Big Beautiful Bill. It navigates in very similar thresholds. There are a couple of small caveats that are different, but for the most part, it's a very similar piece of legislation. Eligible individuals will be anyone receiving qualified overtime compensation. If you're interested in what that means, you can read Section 7 of the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938. Have fun with that one. Now, this income exemption is only temporary. It applies to tax years 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. The maximum deduction or exclusion is $12,500 for individuals, $25,000 for married filing jointly. This is an above-the-line deduction, so it's available to people taking the standard deduction, not just people taking itemized deductions. And there's a phase-out mechanism as well, just like the no tax on tips and like many other deductions throughout the U.S. tax code. Now, if you want to nerd out even further, you'll notice that the maximum deduction for this at $12,500 is limited for single individuals, and then for married filers, it's $25,000. What's strange to me is that completely differs from the no tax on tips, where that gives $25,000 whether you're single or married. But at any rate, let's go through a scenario. So in this scenario, similar to other episodes, the single taxpayer has an MAGI of $85,000. They meet all the requirements to take the no tax on overtime deduction. They receive $15,000 of that $85,000 in qualified overtime compensation. In this situation, you can see that the deduction is actually slightly limited. The taxpayer receives a maximum $12,500 deduction. And although they didn't receive exemption for all $15,000 of qualified overtime income, if they are in the 22% tax bracket, this could actually save them $2,750 in federal income tax. So in this case, it's not actually no tax on overtime, it's no tax on most overtime.
Please follow JMCPA Plus for more information on the One Big Beautiful Bill.